The mission log provides instructions and helpful information. Training tasks and objectives are displayed at the top of the log. Instructions are provided in the form of messages from Mission Control. The newest messages appear at the bottom of the log. Some of these messages are hyperlinks. Click the link to view the message. Use the scroll bar to scroll through the messages in the mission log. To turn sound on or off, use the audio button. Report an on-screen error using the Report an Issue button. If the experience appears stuck, click the Restart button. The Solar System map provides a top-down view of the solar system. The map contains the Sun at the center and Earth revolving around it. Other objects will be added to the map once they are located. The yellow shaded area represents the field of view on the main screen. It moves as the user drags the starfield. Use the speed slider to change the speed of objects moving across the starfield. To increase the speed, move the slider to the left. To decrease the speed, move the slider to the right. To stop the objects from moving across the starfield, click the pause button. Click the play button to resume motion. To click on Earth in the starfield, be sure to click the moving dot and not the word Earth. Objects are labeled once they are selected. The label indicates the type of object, in this case planet, as well as the name of the object. When a planet is selected, it is added to the solar system map. After a third planet is selected, all of the remaining planets are added to the solar system map. To see all of the planets, use the zoom slider to zoom in and out of the solar system map. Click the download button to download the training video. Watch the training video to learn how to use the test object. Drag and drop the test object into the solar system map so that the speed of the test object matches the speed of the selected object. If the test object is dropped in the wrong location, it will either move faster or slower than the selected object. If the test object is dropped in the correct location, it will move at the same speed as the selected object. Be sure to drop the test object in the yellow shaded area so that it's visible in the starfield. See here, when it's dropped outside of the yellow shaded area, the test object is not visible in the field of view. When it's dropped inside of the yellow shaded area, the test object is visible in the field of view. Messages in the center of the screen are used to communicate important information. Orange messages indicate that something is incorrect. Blue messages state the next task or objective. Click on a dot moving across the starfield. Drag and drop the test object into the solar system map so that the speed of the test object matches the speed of the small world. Additional information about the small world is shown in the Small World Data window. Click and drag the small world to find the location of the astrocache. Use the zoom slider to get a closer view of the small world. The small blue icon is the astrocache. Click it to collect the astro coin. Click the cache case button at the top of the screen to open the cache case and view the collected coins. Collected coins are stored in the cache case. Each small world has its own unique coin to collect. The coins in the cache case are organized by location. To toggle between the three locations, click the different buttons along the right side of the cache case. The three locations are near-Earth objects, the main asteroid belt, and the Kuiper belt. Click the cache case button at the top of the screen to close the cache case. The previously selected small world is now labeled with its name and location. In the cache case button at the top of the screen, small worlds are grouped into three categories based on location. Since objects in the Kuiper belt are so far away, they appear to move very slowly. Increase the speed to locate these small worlds. Notice how slow these objects appear to move compared to the other small worlds. If the speed is decreased, it appears as if these small worlds aren't moving at all. The cache case now contains 9 coins: 3 near-Earth object coins, 3 main asteroid belt coins, and 3 Kuiper belt coins. Click the Map button to enter the assessment. The assessment is designed using the same game-like theme. The user is asked to create a map that answers the question, "Where are the small worlds?" Read the message from Mission Control contained in the mission log to understand the assessment. Use the zoom slider to zoom in and out of the solar system. To build the map, place a beacon in each of the 3 zones where small worlds are located. Once a beacon is placed in a correct zone, the zone is labeled and the orbits of the previously located small worlds are drawn on the map. It's time to continue exploring. There are 2 more objects to find in each category. This round requires more precise placement of the test object in the solar system map. Click Finish to end the experience. This screen provides additional information on small worlds.